Good morning, good morning.
Hey, good morning.
How are you guys?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Great, great. Thanks for asking. I saw some good setups coming up, and I thought, okay, let's go live. Let's not
Nice.
miss anything. USD CAD was one of the best I saw. CAD JPY. What about CAD JPY? Let me check the 4 hour. Let me see. Yeah, CAD JPY also looks pretty nice. Looks very good. Um, just deciding which one should we take here. CAD JPY is good. USD CAD is good, but we didn't have very good breakout. Like we have a good breakout, but not that good. Like it says 6 or 5 or 6 pips close below this. That's good, not bad. You could see some more continuation to the downside after we get a retest around here. GPSD, I was thinking about taking the buys if it comes for a retest here, but didn't want it to come so close to the next zone. So I think this is going to continue, and I don't know if we're going to be able to enter there. GJ, just calm down. Calm, because we're going to look at every pair. Look, GJ already did a break and retest. Now we are close to the next resistance. It's better to wait. Even though the 4 hour looks pretty good. 4 hour looks pretty good. Let's see where it comes, because if the 4 hour is gonna come for a retest, it needs to come all the way below the previous candle, and that's what I don't like. And it's already also at resistance. No, skipping GJ. Let's see, USD CAD. I want USD CAD, but I hope it doesn't make the move first before coming. So we'll see. Euro USD nothing, EJ nothing, EA nothing, Aussie dollar doing nothing also. So CAD JPY looks like should be the one. CAD JPY. Let's just delete these zones and draw a new one here. So entry at 600 makes sense here. Let me check. You see how spread is. Good spread. Yeah, let's wait. We'll enter CAD JPY. Even though I hate these kind of slow pairs, because like C600 needs to make a big move to give us only 10 pips. Like it's a painful pair. May take time. Gold did a 1 hour breakout. I mean, who knows? I might take it. Who knows? If it comes lower. If still doesn't make a new high here and comes lower, I might take gold too. Let's see. Let's see what happens. CAD JPY coming. Needs to come lower. Don't want to enter CAD JPY in a 5 pip range because it's going to take too much time after to make a full 10 pip move. So it's better to wait for a perfect entry here. CAD JPY buys at 600. If it comes 620, 600 should be 617, around there. So let's wait. Let's wait. You like GJ? No, I don't like GJ that much. USD CAD. See, gold is coming too. This might be very nice. I mean, gold's not gonna let, at least without making a small rejection when it comes for retest here. I mean, it looks classic setup here. Classic break and retest, but we'll see how far it's gonna come, because it might reject from here too. NZD-JPY still at the same place, hasn't moved that much, pretty much the same. Look at CHF-JPY, nice. Look at the retest. It just came too low yesterday, so a bit risky for us. But look, what a rejection, was very nice trade. Joey, Euro GBP sell. Why are you selling Euro GBP? If you want to sell Euro GBP, at least you should have been in sells at this point here, but not at current price, because it doesn't make sense. Where did you enter here, sell? Because this was the sell here. I see a nice break and retest in an important zone. Right now there's no zone here. It would be better to stay away now, even though I can see this going and filling this range to the downside. That's how it seems. That's how it seems. Gold is a 4-hour break and retest too. This is gonna be nice. Gold's going to be nice. Joey, I watched the video a little bit, but I didn't think I didn't have much time to watch it all because it was too long. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take gold. I'm just waiting to catch a good entry here, because You don't want to be in an early entry on gold, right? Gold doesn't move, only 5 or 10 pips. Requires
Where
more.
would you enter?
Where?
Where would you enter?
I'm still waiting for another 10 pips maybe to drop. Because the zone is much lower and it's a bit too far right now.
Yeah.
80.52 is where candles are closed, and price is at 80.54.7. Like, it's too far. It needs to come lower. At least it needs to come 80.52.50. That would be my entry. And I put to the stop loss just where the previous candle started. So just a little lower should come. I think this is gonna be easy trade. I think this is gonna be easy trade. Just need a little bit more lower than this. I love how candles have no top wicks, none of them. So just a deeper pullback and it's gonna be so good. I'm gonna go all the way bullish. But we can't rush entering too early. Because then we're gonna have to use a pretty big stop loss, and that's not a good idea. You can't. I was thinking at 700 entering sells on USD but that now that gold is coming, I don't know if it's gonna come, but we're waiting. I don't know if I should take any other trade. Even though gold has started to reject right now. We'll see, we'll see. Not yet, not yet. We need a better entry here. We need price to come lower because it's too early. Too early, and gold is not gonna wait us. SD looks good, but I think if we want to enter, yeah, around 700 should be good. 1.27700. I mean, we don't have much traffic on our left, so we have a zone all around, all the way to 1.27500. So we have a 20 pip range to the downside. 20, 25, it's pretty good range. But I'm not gonna rush to enter early here. Let's wait for a deeper pullback here. Let's go gold. Come lower. It has started to reject little by little. And now thing is, in a minute you'll just see this bullish. We're gonna trade gold when we only see a very good setup. Let's say like this one. Like this is a perfect setup. You have a 4-hour breakout, you have a 1-hour breakout. What else can you ask for? It's perfect. No top wick on both candles. Strong momentum, that means. So all we need is a retest here, and easy 1 or 2% can be made here. But the problem is that is this gonna come for a retest? That's the problem. Otherwise, the setup is very good. USD CAD currently at 680. 4-hour is good, not bad. We have closed below this support here. As you can see now, it's doing the retest, but it's a weak breakout. It's not a very good breakout, and I'm thinking if I should trust this or not. If you look at the daily, I mean, what can we say? Daily at support, but the 4-hour and 1-hour close below that daily. So we could see a deeper pullback. Because based on the daily, you could see some more bullish movement here. Maybe filling this wick. But as you can see, it got rejected from this resistance. And coming all the way down to this zone where we are currently, where we have the breakout on the 1-hour and the 4-hour. So chances are that we might start rejecting from now. Should we enter, or is it a bit too early? It's a 16 pip, 15, 17 maybe pips range to where this candle has closed. I think that's a big stop loss for USD CAD. It needs to come at least at 700, so we have like a 10 pip stop. Because risking 20 pips on USD CAD, it's not worth it. Looks like CAD JPY came deeper because I didn't see it. Let's see if it's gold, if gold's gonna come lower. Thing is, it was very bullish, so making a very big pullback, I don't know if it's gonna do that, because usually it just makes a small one and just continues to the upside. So it's gonna be a little bit hard to come all the way back down to make that retest. But you never know. CAD JPY or USD CAD, because they're both good. They're both good. CAD JPY maybe it's even better. And looks very bullish. Looks like we are at resistance, but we're not gonna go that far. I think this should be enough.
Hey Seth,
Yes.
why don't you put like alerts on TradingView when it gets close to the zone so you don't miss it?
Yeah, we can do that. Sometimes I do that, but
just in case, you know.
Yeah. Which one you want to put an alert?
You said USD CAT and CAT JPY, so one of them.
Hmm. Delete these. Crossing, no, just touching. Which one should we use?
You can, like, when you put your mouse on the chart, there is a little plus next to the price. Yeah,
Let's
on the
say
right.
620. I'm gonna say it's 615.
Yeah, that's an easier way to put it.
Yeah. Okay, it's good. It's good. It's good. Gold looks like it's gonna go bullish for now. After going bullish, we're gonna have a good push to the upside. Unfortunately, it's not coming lower. And once it turns bullish, I don't know if I'm gonna take it after that, because this is a move I wanted. Let's see. Let's see. Buying gold was easy, but you'd have to. You would need a pretty big stop, so it was too far to take it. You already in buys, but look at the drawdown you can have if it comes for retest. Look, there's almost 30 pips drawdown you can have. And if you look at the 4 hour, it might still come because the 4 hour is even lower. So careful, because entering too early on gold is not a good idea. Yeah, it might come, who knows. Still time. Early entries are fear of missing out. That's what it is. Because you're scared that it's going to go away and you're not going to be able to enter. And then it comes, you enter too early, you end up in a big drawdown. Then the move it does, it's not going to be enough for you to close a trade, so you end up not closing it. Then from the perfect retest, it might make the move, but not from the early entry. So you still don't close. And then it might make whole pullback to the other side. So let's just not rush, okay? Still plenty of time. If we miss gold, doesn't matter, because anyway, we're not trading it every day. I just saw an opportunity and said, okay, if this comes, I'll take. If it doesn't come, let's move on. We have other pairs. USD CAD might start continue. We have already rejection. Maybe we did a mistake for not entering on USD CAD, because it was pretty close, 690, like one pip away. That's one mistake I think we did. AD US dollar inverted head and shoulder. AD US dollar is in a consolidation box, so nothing much is happening there. As long as gold doesn't go bullish, we're good. We can still have the retest. But once it goes bullish, then I'm not up for it. Aussie dollar after yesterday's drop. Nothing much. I mean, we can have maybe a daily retest here, but still it's pretty bullish. It's pretty bullish right now, Aussie dollar. What can we expect from Aussie dollar is a rejection at 0.77300. If it comes, I think we might have a rejection, but as I said, it's very bullish right now. You can still have continuation to the upside. This might be just a small pullback for some more continuation. CAD JPY was too close also. Look, if these pairs make the move, and I'm not in, I don't know what to say. I woke up. I came on stream very early just to not miss those, and if we miss them, that would be a shame. Why so early? Because saw some opportunities, that's why. Come on, gold, just a lower. Could have a nice trade. The only problem is now that 35 minutes have passed. And we know that on the last 30 minutes or 20 or 15, usually the moves are made, and if they come at the end of a candle, that's what I don't like then. And I think these last minutes we might see the market start to move. This CAD JPY turn bullish, gold turn bullish. USD CAD is already bearish, so probably gonna see some downside here. We made a mistake here because see, it's almost 10 pips move. Should have entered. But the good thing is that we have a zone here on GBP. We might break above. That's a good thing. And we get another chance. Oh man. Gold's gonna make a big candle once it turns bullish. It's just a matter of minutes now. Best backtesting GBP pairs GJ.
Good morning.
Good morning.
You are early.
Yes. Today a little bit early.
Yes.
Yeah. I saw some good chances, so I thought we don't want to miss them.
Okay.
And came early.
I'm here. Too.
Great. You guys wake up at this time anyway, so
Yes.
I thought you guys will be active.
Yes, I wake up and I thought, wow, say it this year.
I wake up every day the same. I just don't go live straight away because usually it's slow market. And if I don't see any chances, there's no need to start it.
Yes, I know.
So today I saw some good ones, but looks like we're missing out.
Yes, markets are awful.
I think USD CAD we did a mistake here by not entering because it was such a small range. But yeah, what can we do? Maybe CAD JPY. CAD JPY also turning bullish soon.
Yeah.
Once turning bullish, there's no coming back. It's gonna go all the way up. How strong the support is. Gold is still surviving. It hasn't gone bullish yet, but it's gonna go bullish. Last 20 minutes. This is the time where we're gonna start making these reversals. Just a matter of time. So GBPUSD can give us 1-2, but it needs to be good. And if we're gonna start to push these last minutes, a 10 pip breakout should be all the way up here. Looks pretty big, but I think it can be very possible. For GBP, nothing is too big. My name is Said. How do you spell it? We have one word different, man. But very similar. Similar to mine. Okay, my question is, did I make mistake when price went lower and came for retest? Yeah, it might have been. It might have been. The thing is that it came here, right? And this is almost where candles were closed and made the move. Then came again to the upside. The thing is, you could avoid this loss. That's the thing. And you could even close in profit, because if you entered here where you have the line, price came here, right? Made a pullback. That's when you had a chance to exit. Then price went all the way to the upside. That was your chance to exit, maybe even in profit, let alone at break even, because break even looks like it was easy. Gold is turning bullish in 1, 2, in a minute. I think in a minute it's gonna turn bullish. No, not even a minute. Just 2 seconds. And you're just gonna see boom, 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 boom. Big push. Let's see. See, gold can be very good when, in some occasions, you know. You have to know when to trade gold. And you have to know when to stay away, because there are times when it's too volatile. It's too volatile when there's a lot of big movements in small ranges. So you just have to choose the time. See, this was the best time to trade gold today because it's a quiet market. Did a very nice breakout. There was no top wick on both candles. We knew it's gonna come and make a top wick, but the pullback was not enough for us because it needed a pretty big stop, so we avoided. We waited for a deeper pullback, and now we got nothing. So what can we do? GU 4-hour zone. A 4-hour zone is here in GU, and I bet you're talking about this. Probably. Yeah. There's another zone there. On the 1 hour, if you look at it, it pretty much fits with the lower one. We'll see, we'll see. We have to see the breakout first. Aussie dollar. Is that enough range? Because that looks like only 10 pip range. We'll see. Let's see, maybe if it doesn't hit the next zone, we might have something. EJ, lots of consolidation as always. EJ doesn't know what to do, like it just consolidates for weeks and months. Aussie dollar, see, Aussie dollar 1 hour. If we break the 1 hour, we have around 50 pip range. Because yeah, if we break this, we might actually continue to the next one here. Looks a pretty easy job to do there. But we'll see. We can expect a fast move on Aussie dollar either. It might take time. See if we're missing something. Look at gold, so beautiful. Just needs to come lower. All these, they just needed to come lower, that's all. Because they were perfect. EA, haven't traded EA for weeks or months, I don't know. EA, what are you thinking? Sells? If it closes below this? I don't think I'm gonna get involved with EA right now because it's too low. Not too low, it's never too low, but it's not in a position where I'd like to take a trade, where I'd like to take sells in that position. Like it's not a good place. Cat JPY might come, but I don't like that it's the last 10 minutes. See, next candle probably is gonna push up, filling the wick first, then make another move. See, GU is pushing. I think whenever it closes, it should respect the zone because it's a pretty big zone. Like, look how many rejections we've had here. I mean, it wouldn't make sense for this to come all the way to the downside. But if it has this, it might make sense. Can be one of the reasons to come all the way to the downside. We have 10 minutes left. That's a 10 pips breakout. If we don't go to the next zone, we might be good because we still have more room. It's another 5 or 6 pip move from current price. Let's wait and see. We still might have a chance here. Gold is rejecting. Where do you see that rejection? Gold's pushing. No, I don't know if I would take gold now if it comes, because we wanted this. This move was our move. ADJPY breaking 350. I mean, it looks good, can't lie. Looks pretty good, and I think this could be one of the targets here. And that's around 10-15 pips maybe. But I'd like to see a better breakout here. I mean, at least a 5 pip breakout. it's a DJPY, and taking a 2-pip breakout, it wouldn't make much sense. So if we want to take a trade here, at least we need a good breakout. And USD CAD's filling the range. This was a big mistake. Big mistake that we didn't take this almost 20 pip move. And I especially started the stream because of USD CAD. How can I miss this? Like, this is perfect. But I asked for too much on a pullback. See how this G is gonna close. Maybe we can catch something. GJ might be good later on, because if it makes a new high, that would be awesome. Makes a new high, this can be very nice, because it was consolidating for a long time there. A fake out? No, I'd rather wait for a breakout than a fake out. Why fake out? Because it's a pretty bullish trend here on GJ. Can still continue more because we have more room to continue. And if you look left, we have a very strong resistance here, and I think that's what's holding GJ here. This, look left, it's a major zone here. This major zone is holding GJ here, so it might be a little bit hard, and that's the reason why we had a lot of rejection before. I don't recommend doing that. Expecting a fake out on a zone like this, let's say it's at the top and it's trying to break, would be counter trend. So you could have a double fake out there. Entering a fake out here might be just a reason to sell the top. Beto, are you interested to sell tops and buy bottoms? Let's see, 5. We can have 8 pip breakout on GU or not yet. USD CAD could have been. USD CAD could have been. Was my mistake for not taking a trade. Had to pull the trigger there. It was only one pip away. But it's promising since we had some breakouts early in the morning. Might be a promising day. Let me check some news here because we didn't check the news today at all. Do we have anything or not?
Nothing for now.
Later on?
Yeah, in 3 hours there's GBP news.
Speech, medium, broadband. What else? 8 hours. Some USD news. Some Euro news as usual. It doesn't look like there's much gonna happen. I don't see much news. I think we're good. See, maybe it's not telling the whole truth. You entered buys at 140.800. Okay, that's 40 pips, not 80. But pretty nice. Congrats. Yes, same. Doesn't look like we're gonna have much day. Okay, so let's make a choice. Let's choose something here. GBP US dollar did break above. We have a 7 pip breakout, and we have more room to push to the upside. We closed above this zone. It's a very good zone, strong one. We have closed above it. What can I say here? It looks good. The only problem is that we don't have a 20 or 10 pip breakout. It's only 7. Is that enough? Catch if I turn bullish also. No surprise.
I think Geo looks really nice.
Yeah, I mean, if you look at it, it's a perfect setup.
Yeah.
It's only that we didn't have a bigger breakout. That's the only problem. Other than that, I mean, it's a pretty good one. It's not good that we are so close to the next zone. That's the only thing that's not good. But other than that, it should be nice. If we didn't have traffic on the left, this would be epic. And if we take this, It's not gonna be as same as USD CAD was. Tough choice to make. If I take a trade here, my stop loss should be just below this wick, because it can't go lower than that. Let's see, I'm gonna wait for this to come lower again. I hope it's not the same as USD CAD. ADJPY, did it break? Good or weak breakout? I see. I see. Almost 5 pips. I mean, it looks a very good breakout actually. We did have a close, and I'm taking a buy. Took a buy on ADJPY. Let's go.
Hey, post it on the group.
Yeah, I will post it on the group now. Gonna use a stop loss. If it comes lower, I'll enter another position. Let's see. I'm gonna use less than 10 pips, like 8 pips stop loss. Let's go ADJPY. Let's go. Give us some pips here. Okay guys, don't ask me if it's a buy or a sell, because I literally just said I took a buy. That means, what does that mean? Let's go. Guys, it's ADJPY, so we can't expect a big move. A 10 pip move, I'll be pleased with that. No, we're not looking for quick pips, because we know that ADJPY is not that kind of pair. Let's go. We don't have a top wick. That's good. Some good momentum. All we gotta do is wait now. Wait for this to take off. A 10 pip move, it's gonna be all the way here. That's a big move. Should ADJPY do? It's gonna take some time, but yeah, we'll wait. We'll wait and see. We have a small stop because there's no need for more. I think if it comes all the way down here, it's not gonna be same anymore. So let's wait. We have a good breakout, not bad for a pair like this. The retest currently happening. We've had multiply rejections from before. We are, maybe we can say we were in a consolidation box inside a big consolidation box. So we can say this was a middle zone, and we can have some more continuation after this retest. As I said, might come a little lower, but it shouldn't be a problem. It's a small zone. This whole one is 8 pips, so let's wait and see. No traffic on the left, that's one good thing. To be afraid of anything, there's no need. All the way to 8500, 530, there's no zone, so we should be good for some continuation. Let's see if we can get a 1% here. Let's go AJ, let's go. Not the ideal pair to take a break and retest because we want quick pips, but what can we do? We missed use the cat, was a good chance. Gold didn't come enough, so I don't have another choice. Where should I be cautious about a minor zone? I tend to be confused about if I should care about certain ones or not. I don't know actually. I mean, we gotta see some examples to tell you which one to be cautious. Maybe choose some and send a chart, and I'll tell you which one should be on which one you should be cautious more. Let's see. Going bullish, that should be 100% thing. But pushing more, you don't think it's gonna go up 20 pips? I don't know. I don't expect a big move here. I only want a 10 pip move. That should be enough for me. Nice. We've turned bullish little by little. Let's go. Let's make a new high. ADJPY. Yeah, I mean at least 500 should be, then I don't care what happens with it. 500 should be at least the move it should make. See, we have 4 pips almost around there. But there's much more room to push here. Much more room. Let's go, let's go. Let's fly to the moon, ADGPY. It's time to take off. Looks in a good mood. Looks in a good mood. And only 30 minutes on the clock, so plenty of time. Glad that we had a rejection right away in the first 10 minutes. I like that. It just shows that there's good momentum. But still a long way to go. Still a long way to go. Philip's family, you made 89K on Bitcoin today. Ooh, man. You're good, but bad at the same time. We don't trust you, man. Why you gotta lie so big? Like, say I want 10K at least. Like, 10K can be considered, you know? But 89K, like, who would trust that? If you said 86.7K, maybe I would trust you. Let's go ADJPY. We have 5 pips. Let's go for 10 or 7 or 8 first. And I'm gonna go for 1%. If I get 1%, that would be nice. He's telling us because he can make the same for us, but you have to send him like 2K in the beginning so he can turn that 2K to 89K in one day. AJ, don't come back. Don't come back, let's go. Other ideas might be GU. Looks like it made the retest, but we focused on AJ, so already missed. It's already 5 or 6 pips. This could have been a quick trade. 15 pips. Phillips, welcome. Look at GU. What a push. Let's go AJ, let's go. Give us these pips. Like, look ADJPY and look at GU. The GU has made less move and still more pips than ADJPY. Bitcoin moving crazy, like yesterday from 40K dropped to 30K. Like there are some crazy moves lately. I'll wait for it to drop to buy some Bitcoin. I want a bigger drop on Bitcoin because it's probably gonna drop. Like has to make a small retest because more people already sold at 40K and they want a lower price to buy again. Why not? It's how people are gonna make money. So when it comes lower, I'll buy too. Yeah, anything under 20K should be good. Even 20K can be good because you can have a pullback at 30K then. CHF JPY, yeah, it did work perfectly. It did work perfectly. Aussie dollar. What about Aussie dollar? Aussie dollar did a weak breakout, but it respected level. Looks like it's going to continue to the next zone. We'll see. Or maybe you're thinking to take it on the next hour. If it stays around here, you can probably. We'll see. Let's go ADGPY. Give me 1% here and I'm done. Should have been a 10-pip move already. Let's go. Another 5 pips. Another 5 pips. And we are good. Let's go. Nice. Let's go. Boom. 6. Only 6 pips? Good. Have 0.80%, I think, now. I don't know. I closed the position because I had 2, and I'm moving my stop at break even. Because I don't trust these pairs that much because they make some weird pullbacks. So I'd rather just secure some and move my stop at break even because I don't want to see this going all the way bearish. Because would be a bad sign. Jurgen Klopp. The trade ideas right now are not much because we are in this trade currently. And we're not thinking yet about the next one. And also, this made me a little bit uncomfortable, you know, and I thought, okay, I'd rather just take some profits here. Why not? That's the only thing. I mean, I'm hoping that it has to fill this whole range, because this is 1, 2, 3 candles, and this is where the next zone is, and the 4 hour is maybe a little lower, but still same zone. AD is pretty bullish right now. We have good momentum, so we should fill this range at least. Like it's a 10 pips range. Would be a shame if we don't even have a 10 pips range felt. But anyway, I took some profits here and moved my stop at break even. Let's see. We're having a good push still. Beta, do you need 10 pips to make 1%? Okay. Have a nice day, Gabor. See you. See you later. 8.5 pips, guys. Nice. Nice. 8.4. 8.3, 8.4. We're around there. Very nice. Very nice. We're moving. We are moving. Nice. Easy 1%, right? 8.6. It's good. 9 pips. Good. Let's go. One more. One more and we are done. 0.90. Okay. It's good. It counts as 1%. 0.10 does make a big difference. See guys, if you wake up early, you find a trade. Even though we missed some, we still got something, right? So that's a good thing. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Do we have 10 pips? Look, you can hold longer, but it would be nice to close at least 80, or I mean close something. Like we have 10 pips. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. 11. Should be able to close now, because even you have a bad entry. You have 4 pips. That's bad because we are already at 4-hour resistance. You have to be careful now. If you have only 4 pips, I don't know. Maybe you should close or something. Because if this comes all the way back, you're gonna be in trouble, my friend. But you know what? I think for you it's put your stop at break even at least. Yeah. Put your stop at break even, so 4 pips. You're only 4 pips. Man, why did you enter here? Like, it doesn't make sense. Why did you enter here? Like 450? That's the worst entry you can get. Oh, 8 pips. Okay, good then. Take some profits. Nice guys, nice. Very nice trade. Congrats everyone. It was good. EJ. What the hell of a mess is EJ? How can I do that in TradingView? It's easy. Go to here, select price range, and that's the tool. Very nice guys, very nice. We needed this win. We needed this win because it was a very boring 2-3 days. And last week was boring too. This is a confidence booster. Good. Very good trade, clean. That's what we like. G went also as we wanted to. USD CAD did the same. Sometimes it doesn't matter if we don't catch everything, but it matters that we know that our way of trading works every time. So that's what important. Geo worked perfectly. USD CAD worked perfectly. CAD JPY perfectly. It just we missed because it didn't come lower. Gold worked perfectly, just didn't come lower. So just count how many break and retest you had and see how all they went as we expected. Like great, great. Very good. But you can't catch them all. That's the thing. Still very happy with this. And we move on. Maybe find another one now. What do you guys say? But yeah, we have plenty of time now. Plenty of time. It's good to wake up early and trade, but not every time you get trades. Not every time you get chances. Let's see. Another one on the next hour. How can we concentrate on so many pairs at the same time? You don't. Do you see us? We are watching the same pair for 40 minutes since we took it. We're not looking at other pairs. So you focus on one which is giving you a setup, let's say. If GJ is giving setup, you focus on GJ. You don't have to look other pairs. So let's see. EJ. So many rejections here. Maybe if it breaks the downside, it might be very nice. But there's so many zones below, like it's crazy. EURUSD, EURUSD is doing nothing. A break above this, I don't know, we'll see. Maybe we take it, who knows. It's a 4-hour zone too, if you look left. I mean, actually it's good. Can have a big move to the upside. The Euro US dollar is good for the next hour if it breaks. If not, then it's not good. But there's plenty of time until then. Hello Baptista, you missed a trade, but no worries, you'll catch the next one when it comes. We had this AUDJPY template trade, was good. EURUSD, it's not a breakout yet. It's not a breakout. We're gonna need a good close above this level because it's a very strong level. There, see. Patient pace. Patience pays always. I know it's hard sometimes to wait for too long, but that's how it is. You have to wait. People wait, work for a whole month and wait until the end of the month to get paid. They wait 30 days. At least in my country, I don't know about there. And nothing happens to us if we wait for a day or two or for some hours. I am a full-time trader, yes, but I have other things that I do, of course. Plenty of things. Let's see. Euro US dollar is our next if it breaks. GU, yeah, GU did break and made the move. Very nice. Very, very nice. Now they're getting some rejections, but doesn't matter for us. We already took a trade, took the profits, done with the trades, so No worries. Like the stream. Domenico, people don't want to like the stream. No worries. Well, if we don't have a trade and nobody likes the stream, I get it. People are upset. But when we have one, I mean, the stream deserves some likes. Even though it doesn't matter. Likes doesn't matter. It matters that we made some profits. That's what matters. Man, gold would be so nice. Gold would give like 2-3% easy. Donovan, I think GN we don't trade GN actually, but I'll take a look for you. We don't trade GN because it's too volatile and it's just a pair that I don't trust. It just makes some deep pullbacks and 20 pips most of the time. It doesn't, it's not enough. And that's what I don't like. Snow is back, of course, man. We have a lot of snow outside, so we gotta have the snow back. Where do you want these breakouts? Do you this breakout? Do you want the breakout below this zone or to the upside? I didn't understand. First thing I do is I like the video when I click the link in Telegram. Do you know why? Because you are smart. Look at your name, smart. Now guys, stream might start again the same as today. Who knows? If I see good chances, I might start the stream early because it doesn't really matter for me. I can start it early. Sometimes I want to sleep, of course, but most of the time I can, and it all depends if there's chances, if there's setups coming. Because if just consolidating and nothing there, I don't start the stream early. GJ. What about GJ? Look at GJ. Yeah, let's look GJ. So, what about GJ? Fun. We had a nice win today, but you missed it, man. You probably took others, so no worries for you. Not worried about you. We had this nice win earlier. Do you use anything to show breakup when we're not in the charts? No, I don't. But sometimes I use alerts. I think you can connect them with your phone too. You can connect alerts with your phone, and then every time a breakout happens, let's say, you get the alert. EJ. Guys, EJ is the worst pair on the last 2 months, maybe. The worst. Like, just look at EJ. Consolidation, consolidation, consolidation. Just look at this. Count this. Let's see. This is 41 days of consolidation. It made a breakout, then the same day it made the whole pullback. Just look at this, 43 days of consolidation. C-Trader is great, especially for the phone. Like MetaTrader 4 is way behind. C-Trader is way better from the phone or on the PC or anywhere. C-Trader is great. CAD-JPY alarm? No, we'll just leave it there because it might break to a downside, and then we get the alert. Then we can take sells, you know. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. It's hoping that EU might break, but it's taking some time, and we have a pretty big rejection. Yeah, of course a big rejection, because we hit another zone, a 4-hour one. And look at the DJPY too, whole pullback. See where we got out, how important it was. Guys, anyone up to make me a logo? I need a logo. Who's up for it? Who's a good designer? Graphic designer. Text me. I want a logo for market simplicity, not sad effects, because I already got that. That's sorted. I want one for market simplicity. Should say market simplicity with a nice background and this related to Forex, maybe some candles. I don't know. You guys can know better maybe, because if I would know, I'll make by myself, but not very good at it. If I start to use Photoshop, I'll know how to use it in a week, because I knew how to use it before, but then I didn't use it for a long time now. I don't use it. Wix logo maker, no, that's lame. Look, Geo can still continue up, guys. Can still continue up, because this zone is also very strong. Do you have a Discord or Telegram group? Yes. Guys, all the links are on description, guys. All of them. On the live description of this video, just go to description. You can see for mentorship, for some merch if you want to buy some merch. For the copy trade, you have the link there for magic keys. And if you go to breakandretest.com, you can go there. You have this free Telegram channel. Here you can join. I'll give updates. The bird oil is going to be soon involved on the merch, don't worry. It might be a delay, but no, very soon it's gonna come. Oh, the shop's not activated. We'll see what's wrong later. Okay, we'll wait. Can you text me whenever you make a trade? Yeah, give me your number. I'll call you every time.
Is that a new service?
Good morning, wake up. There's a trade. "24 hours." Geo got rejected again. See? It's pretty easy. I think I'm gonna wait today for EU here, because this can be very, very nice. It's a major zone, and if it breaks, we can have easy 20 pips, I think, here. Let me check. Yeah, this could be very, very easy 20 pips. Use the indicator that shows your entry and stop loss on Telegram. Every time you enter a trade, it automatically notifies Telegram. In CTrader has that option or something else. Joey, it's not bad, but it's too simple. It's too simple. I have plenty of these, but thank you for trying. I need something more unique, because that's a basic one. Like, there's plenty of them. We are waiting for a breakout on EJ. I know. I've checked Fiverr and all these, but I don't know. There's so many. I don't know which one to choose, or so plenty of them. I thought maybe one of you guys are good, but I don't know. We'll see. I'll check also Fiverr and these other websites.
Whoever makes the logo gets a free signal.
Yeah. They only got one today for free. And for the past months and year. I'll be back in 2-3 minutes. What's up, guys? Okay guys, let's see. 15 minutes in and got nothing. Euro US dollar is dropping. Nothing much happening right now. Let's check every pair. EA, nice drop. Aussie dollar is coming from this resistance, so it's risky. See the 4-hour rejection. Can't take that. Euro and ZD. Check 1 hour, 4 hour. Nothing much. Euro CAD. Don't like this pair. NZD US dollar. Coming from this zone. NZD JPY. Gold might come down again. If it comes gold on the 4 hour, maybe we'll get a rejection around here based on the 4 hour. But gonna skip because the first retest, that's what we like. GBP CAD, this was nice. I would have taken it anyway, because there's a zone right here too. Euro GBP GA. About the ZA, nothing much. Yeah, still nothing yet. You took AJ, nice, very nice. You took USD SEC. Why do guys trade these pairs? I don't understand. Because there's no need. It's just there's no need. Backtesting should be you should do backtesting every week, like the end of the start of the week, depends. It's the same thing, but at least once a week. I mean, what pairs backtest? I don't know. I mean, you can choose a pair that you like and try to do some backtesting on it and test it, see how it goes, gain more information, see what happens in different times when candles form in different ways. I mean, there's plenty of things. Beitu does recaps and back testing on YouTube on the weekends. You can follow him. Send the link on the YouTube, Beitu. Is there a way to backtest for free? I think yeah. Telegram group doesn't exist. How? Here it is. You can see this? You go to breakandretest.com, free Telegram channel. You click this and here it is. FOREX Thrive is free for backtesting. Search for this, guys. Yeah, looks like we'll have to wait. Waiting for Euro's dollar. If this would go bullish and close above, would be epic. I'd love to see that. Forex Tire isn't free. It works for a while and it stops. Okay. You can use it for a while, then open
Then
with
you
it.
can make a new account.
Yeah. Every time it stops, make a new account. Have you ever looked to trade USD Mexican pesos? I was the king of USD Mexican pesos, man. I traded it a lot before, but not anymore. Usage rate USD ZAR, USD Mexican pesos, both of them. But not anymore. Pepperstone also doesn't have them anymore. I mean, you can sometimes maybe find a setup here and there, but I like you, I like you. You made a whole pullback now. I like this. Let's see, if we go bullish, maybe we can close above. We have another 30 minutes left, so there are still chances. Never say never. Gold. Gold came deeper and got rejected. Not a surprise. USD CAD made a pullback. Honestly, I think USD CAD should continue to the upside. I think so. Maybe I'll look for some buys later. I mean, based on a daily, I could see some continuation. But right now, there's no confirmation. Still need to wait. No, guys, I can't stop the snow. It's not in my hand, okay? It's not in my hand. The snow, I mean, maybe it's gonna stop later on, who knows? Can you stop snowing? You can't. Or raining. You can use an umbrella if you want. Guys, just because I just remembered something. I just remembered something. I need to set up the copy trader for USA clients, okay? Okay, so Phillips, no, Phillips family. I'm not from USA. I'm from Kosovo. Why are you bothered by the snow? It's nothing. It's nothing wrong with it. If it would be something that blocks the chart or anything, okay, I would delete it, but it's not doing anything wrong. Okay, so account is done on trader's domain. The account is done. So all I need is to make a deposit on it, and we're going to continue. I'm just looking for some last details here. And also, we'll see if it's better than CTrader. We might switch everyone to Trader's Domain. Why not? Okay, good. The account is done. Even though I love CTrader, can't leave it. It's too good. Nice. ADJPY is still pushing. Good, but right at resistance right now, it might have some problems passing through this. It might have some problems. How many monitors? I have two monitors that are 28-inch or 27, I don't know. I think 27-inch. And I have a 49-inch monitor. So this is all one. This is a 49, and these two on the sides. There's also one here that you don't see. It's a 27-inch, so I have an idea to make an update. I'm thinking of putting these two on the top and add another two on the left and on the right. We'll see. There's plenty of time of them. I don't need it right now. It's just for fun. You don't need all these monitors to trade. But when you stream, you need more than one. When you stream. But if you just want to trade, there's no need for all these monitors. Is CTrader better? Of course, Dennis. CTrader is the king. Once you get used to it, it's the best. Either on the phone or on your PC. Let's go, let's go. EU turned bullish almost. We have another 20 minutes. Looks like Euro is gaining some strength here. EURNZD especially made a huge push to the upside. Maybe can give us something, who knows. So let's see. What are the benefits of CTrader? Just install it and you'll see. It's way better to manage positions. Calculate your stop loss and all these kind of things. Waiting. We have another 20 minutes. Almost there. Almost there to see. If we don't have any setup, I don't know, then there's no need to stay longer, probably. USDJPY. What about USDJPY? Sell signal? I don't see a sell signal. USDJPY needs to come all the way down, break this level, and then you might see some more continuation to the downside. Other than that, I think nothing else I would do here. Can you look at Aussie dollar? Yeah, what's up with Aussie dollar? Is Aussie dollar breaking above again? Or not yet? Do most brokers support C-Trader? Yeah, most brokers support C-Trader. Some don't, but they will probably start soon. Aussie dollar is in between two zones. And we have this zone too here. So we're in between two zones. What would I do here is I would look for buys if it breaks this, and maybe I would look for sells if it breaks to the downside. If you go on the daily, I said when we started in the morning that AUD US dollar might come at 300 and then reject. These were my exact words in the morning. I said it's gonna come 300 and gonna reject. That was just my opinion. It's not that I was ready to sell or anything, because still it was too bullish, and it still is bullish. You can still have some more continuation. So we'll see. Waiting now. Aren't you considering GBP/USD for news? Herman, hello. How do you mean GBP/USD for news? I don't understand. You mean considering buys here on Geo? You're alright late, so let's go through it again. First of all, daily at resistance. 4 hour, there's one zone here that has rejected, and we have the zone that you draw. So we have two zones in between. That's why we didn't take the retest here. That's the only reason. Other than that, there was no reason. GJ is still rejecting. I think it's a good thing. When we break above, we're gonna have a nice trade here. We only have like 3 rejections on the last 3 hours on the same level, so this could be very good. Just a matter of time right now. Also, Euro US dollar looks good. Not that good, but we're close to this resistance, so we might break. We have another 1 hour to wait for the 4 hour breakout. So if EU breaks 1 hour and on the 4 hour, that might be epic. All we gotta do is wait. It's almost there, almost there. Is gold going for a retest on the 1 hour? Is guys, it's too risky right now to take gold. Oh, news on GU. No, if there's news, we're gonna stay away. Gold is coming for that 4-hour retest probably, and it can come deeper than what's on the 1 hour. But no, I'm not touching gold. I don't think so. I better stay away. What do you think of CAD JPY if it closes above 800? Where's 800? It's not a very convincing. It's not a very convincing zone here. No, I wouldn't take anything on CAD JPY anymore, because the good setup is already gone. Want to see how your NZD is gonna close, because if it closes above this, there might be a chance here. You never know. AUD NZD. Skip it, man. Skip it. Don't you see how big the spread is on AUD NZD? It's not worth trading it. It's not worth trading it. Look. Look at the spread. Do you see it? You can't trade with that spread. This is the trader for you that you don't know. It's very nice. Didn't use it before because I thought it was too complicated, but no, it's very nice. Aussie dollar, if it closes below, I'm not gonna look for sells. I don't think so. I wouldn't trust it. Even though it can easily continue down, but I'm not up for it. GU might close below again. Let me see. When is the speech? 1 hour and 8 minutes. Medium impact. It might be high, you never know. So, can we consider sells here? That's the question. Let's look at the daily. I mean, it would make sense because daily made a retest. Even though it came all the way from the zone, it would make sense to have some continuation. USD CAD, yeah, I'm waiting for that too, because I see USD CAD still going up, but without a confirmation, it's nothing official. Gold is retracing. Gold, I don't know about gold. Stay away for now, because the first one was good. Now nothing is sure. Chances were very high on the first time. Now they're not as high as they were. You want to follow that momentum, that strong momentum in the beginning. There was no top wicks on both candles. I mean, it was a very obvious setup. I just needed to come lower. It didn't, so we had to skip. Watching GU, I don't know if it's worth it to take sells, even though it might be a good chance. Yeah, I mean, I'd like to see a break on GJ here because it would be clean. And it's a daily level 2, so if we break this, we have a pretty good range to fill to the upside. So I'm waiting to see what happens. Right now there's no hope for GJ to break. I mean, we have 6 minutes, everything can happen, but it needs to make how many pips? That's almost like 7 pips, then another 10 from resistance. It's a pretty big move, and I don't see it happening right now. So we gotta wait. Oh, so you're selling GJ. So you are sell high, buy low. That kind of trader. What's your confirmation, let's say, that you sold GJ? Which time frame is good? 4 hour and 1 hour? Both are good. What about EJ? It's nothing. EJ is doing nothing. Absolutely nothing. That's create a small consolidation box like every time, and it's just consolidating there. Maybe if it breaks below, I'll consider taking sells, but we'll see. Rejection and other signals. Let's see if I'm wrong or right. Well, I hope you're right. I'm just asking you a reason why you're selling, because there's got to be a reason. Can you tell the references? 27 inch, 49 inch, and 27 inch. And they're all Samsung. Look on the daily. Yeah, there might be a support on daily probably. It's a mess. Mostly big rejection. That's your confirmation, big rejection? I don't know. Hopefully it rejects from you for you.
Hey, Seat.
Yes, Gregory?
Are the 27-inch monitors 4K?
No. They're not 4K.
You need to change them.
Yeah, probably. I need to change them probably. 'Cause I bought them like a year or 2 years ago. I don't know. And then I bought the 49-inch and I just added them to the side. But yeah, I might change them. If I can sell these, I would get a 4K. Maybe quality would be even better, even though quality is still good.
Of course, it's gonna be better.
No, Rahul. I don't know the details. Sorry. Why we don't consider gold? Because it already made the move. That's why it's too risky now. The first move was already done. It's up to you if you want to take it or not. It's just not me. I want to take it when it was safe, and now I wouldn't be very confident because see, you have daily resistance too. And price coming from a daily resistance can easily result in a fake out. Easily. So we don't take return. No. We take retest on the 4 hour, but it's just gold. Gold is not the one. We don't usually trade gold. Today we wanted to, but it didn't come for a retest as we like to. So we're not considering 4 hour because gold is too risky to trade most of the time. Also, it's coming from another zone, so that also might be a reason. Not might, but it is a reason. So yeah. Oh, GJ about to fly. It closed almost above. If only it would have a better close above. This could be easily continued to the upside. This can easily, once it flips bullish, I think a 10 pip move could be easy here. GU didn't close below, made a whole pullback to the upside. EJ doing nothing. Aussie dollar didn't close below, stayed above. CAD JPY nothing big. Euro NZD made a whole pullback. Wow, didn't expect this. Mostly would most of the pairs are doing nothing right now. GCAD maybe can continue, but it wasn't a good breakout here. Didn't really close above. It did, but too weak and not a breakout like we want to. I'm not gonna wait for a retest on GJ because it's not a breakout yet. So when it closes 10 pips above, that's when it's a breakout. And the thing is, if we go bullish in this hour, we're gonna have a 4-hour breakout. That's a double confirmation. Hopefully, let's see if it's gonna push or not. But we're gonna have to wait for another hour, so it's gonna be a long wait. Okay, congrats, we have 11K subscribers. New milestone hit. Very nice. Community is growing. KJPY is doing nothing. Now all we need is a push on GJ this hour, at least a 10 pip push. Then we get a 4-hour close. We break a major level here because it's a daily level 2. So yeah, this can be very nice. Other than this, I don't see anything. Other than this, I don't see anything. Just started following you yesterday. Okay, nice. Welcome to the stream. Nice GJ. Let's go. We need a bigger push here, at least 10 pips. That's gonna be a good confirmation. I just hope it doesn't go too far, because if it starts to push like it knows, like it usually does, it's gonna be hard for us because we don't know if it's gonna make a retest. So we'll see. But GJ is near all-time high since September, and that's even better for us. All-time high, then makes a breakout, and we have some nice continuation. When pairs make a new all-time high, usually it's going to be a pretty good push. Pretty good move. But we'll see. It's nothing official yet, and unless it breaks. We can only judge GJ when we see a breakout. That's also when we can make a decision if we want to take it or not. Still, Euro US dollar is one of my favorite setups here. It's a 1 hour and a 4 hour zone. If it breaks, we can easily have a 20 pip move to the upside. So just a matter of time. Maybe it's not gonna break, we're gonna have some more continuation to the downside, but we'll see. Anything can happen. It's just the start of a day. Like there's so many hours until the end of the day. We can have crazy moves until then. And we have some euro news in 30 minutes. Low impact. We have a speech on GBP 15 minutes. Some USD news later on in 5 or 6 hours, so plenty of time. We'll see. Let's see tomorrow. Tomorrow there's some Euro speech. USD news. Nothing much. See, now we have less news. We're coming to the times when we're gonna have less news, more technicals, and it's gonna be easier to trade. When there's no news, it's much more easier. Only moves from technicals, it's gonna be good. Just a matter of time. GBP/USD is a pair that I don't trade. We looked at GBP/USD earlier on, and I didn't see anything there. There was something actually. Let me see if I have it here. No. But there's a speech later on GBP, so you might skip it for now. Wait until or wait until after the speech, then you can see if you can take a trade on GBP. Also 4 hour, it's gonna close in 1 hour, so no rush to take trades. Why not wait for a double confirmation when 4 hour closes too? AUD CAD, let's see AUD CAD. You better have a good setup. Nothing. AUD CAD is consolidating. I thought there's something worthy. Nothing basically. 4 hour doesn't really have anything big. There's a zone here. If it breaks this, we might have some more continuation to the downside. Might come all the way at this zone actually. Well, we'll see. We have zones along the way that we need to break first. So you're entering after 10 pips breakout? No, I wait for the 10 pip breakout, then I enter on the retest. So if GJ makes a 10 pips breakout, let's say, I wait for the pullback to the same broken zone and I take buys. That's it. I consider some things on the left, see if we did hit any zones or something like that. If not, then if there's free traffic, all you gotta do is wait for the move. So for now there's no trade yet. Still waiting. I think I might even go now because there's nothing and There's no point actually waiting in front of the screen for much. More time. Yeah, GJ is moving. Yeah, but I'm gonna have to go now, and because there's another 50 minutes until the end of the cattle, so can't really do anything until then. So for today, I think it's enough for today. 3 hours, pretty good. Not bad at all. Good thing is that we got a trade. We made 1% easy. So that's what's important. For the next trade, we have GJ. Remember, we have GJ. If it closes above a 10 pips breakout, we can take it. It's going to be a 4-hour trade too. EU might break also. If it breaks, 1.21700 should be the entry after the breakout. And it can be also 4-hour breakout, but right now it's a little bit too far maybe. We're gonna need a big push to the upside. But even if a 4-hour doesn't break, 1 hour might break later, so we'll see about that. GU, I don't see anything here yet. GJ is going up. I hope Rashik, yeah. I hope you close GJ because it's breaking to the upside. Careful. I don't want to see you lose, but I know you took sells. So that's it for today. Have a nice day, everyone. See you. Thank you all for being here. Leave a like if you want, if you enjoyed the session.
For the stream set.
Thank you too, Gregory. Have a nice day. See you on the group later, after a few minutes or next hour, and we'll see. We'll see if we get another trade today. We might give it a try. Thank you all. Have a nice day.
See you in the group. Have a nice day.
See you guys. See you. GJ flying. Wow.